Welcome to Bike Review Pro, your trusted source for the latest and greatest in motorcycle innovation. Today, we bring you something truly majestic, the 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT. If you're a fan of long-distance touring, unmatched comfort, and advanced technology, then stay with us as we explore every inch of what could be the most refined Goldwing ever built. The Goldwing name is legendary in the world of touring motorcycles. And in 2025, Honda has taken that legacy to an entirely new level with the GCT, Grand Comfort Touring Edition. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a luxurious road-going spaceship on two wheels. Design and aesthetics, a bold and refined statement. The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT retains its bold presence but now comes with even more refined styling. The body panels are sculpted to perfection with improved aerodynamics, featuring sleeker lines and a sharper front fairing that gives it a commanding road presence. New LED lighting, including adaptive cornering lights, adds both style and safety, while updated color options such as Crimson Thunder, Pearl Ice Silver, and Jet Black Metallic make the GCT visually irresistible. The massive front fascia, integrated windscreen, and beautifully curved saddlebags contribute to the iconic Goldwing silhouette, now more modern than ever. Engine and performance, power with grace. At the heart of the 2025 Goldwing GCT lies the same trusted 1.833cc flat-six engine, but with refinements in tuning and fuel efficiency. The power delivery is smooth yet strong, producing around 125 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque. Paired with Honda's legendary 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, the GCT glides through gears seamlessly. For those who love manual control, a traditional 6-speed option is also available. This engine is not about aggressive acceleration, it's about effortless cruising at high speeds with near-silent refinement. New software tweaks have further optimized engine mapping, especially in touring and economy modes, ensuring a balance of power, efficiency, and smoothness across all riding conditions. Ride comfort and suspension, like flying on asphalt. Honda has always excelled in suspension systems, and the GCT pushes the boundaries even further. The double wishbone front suspension has been fine-tuned for enhanced stability and reduced vibration. Rear suspension is now semi-active, adjusting automatically based on rider load, road condition, and riding mode. Whether you're riding solo or fully loaded with a pillion and gear, the ride quality remains plush and composed. Honda has also widened the seat foam and refined the padding for even more comfort during cross-country adventures. The electronically adjustable windscreen, enhanced wind deflectors, and improved fairing ventilation ensure the rider and passenger stay protected from wind fatigue, making those 500-mile days feel like a breeze. Technology and features, touring on a digital throne. This is where the 2025 Goldwing GCT truly shines. Honda has turned the Goldwing into a tech marvel. The new 12.3-inch TFT infotainment display supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Honda's own Touring OS. It's brighter, faster, and now includes split-screen multitasking. Voice command functionality has been upgraded with deeper AI integration, allowing riders to control music, navigation, and calls with ease. The built-in navigation system now features real-time traffic updates and offline maps, essential for remote touring. Honda has also added a 360-degree camera system with blind spot monitoring and lane change alerts, a major leap in safety tech for motorcycles. Keyless ignition, heated seats, handlebar grips, USB-C charging ports, and a 45-liter top box all come standard. Touring capabilities, made for endless roads. The Goldwing GCT was built for the open road, and Honda has loaded it with features that prove it. The fuel tank now holds 26.5 liters, offering a realistic range of over 400 kilometers depending on the riding mode and load. Cruise control, hill start assist, traction control, and electronic suspension presets for solo or two-up riding make long-distance travel simple and relaxing. There are also riding modes tailored for touring, sport, rain, and economy, adapting power delivery, suspension feel, and throttle response with the push of a button. The new tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, ensures optimal safety during long hauls, and the center stand is now easier to engage thanks to an improved leverage design. Storage and practicality, pack it all in. Touring riders need space, and the GCT delivers. Saddlebags offer over 60 liters of storage, while the new electronically lockable top box adds another 45 liters. All compartments are weather-sealed, keyless, and can be accessed via the smart fob or touchscreen. Honda has also introduced modular accessory ports that allow riders to attach custom luggage, toolkits, or even a mini refrigerator for those extreme road trips. Safety, Honda's top priority. Safety is front and center on the 2025 Goldwing GCT. It comes standard with cornering ABS, traction control, and an upgraded hill start assist system. The new Adaptive Radar Cruise Control (ARCC) now maintains a safe following distance from vehicles ahead, even on winding roads. Additionally, the GCT features Emergency Stop Signal (ESS), which activates hazard lights under hard braking, alerting vehicles behind. The optional airbag system remains available, now refined for quicker deployment and enhanced reliability. Price and availability, a premium, but justified. The 2025 Goldwing GCT isn't cheap, but it offers unmatched value for its class. The starting price is expected to be around $29,999 with higher trims and touring packages crossing the $35,000 mark. When you consider the level of engineering, comfort, and technology packed into this machine, it's a worthy investment for serious tourers. Availability will begin across North America and Europe by late September 2025, with select markets getting custom color and seat options. Final verdict: a touring legend reinvented. The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT isn't just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of what's possible when engineering excellence meets touring luxury. From the powerful flat-six engine to the refined electronics, from the comfortable ride to the storage-rich design, Honda has built a bike that doesn't compromise. If you're someone who craves freedom, long highways, and a machine that becomes part of your journey, the Goldwing GCT is calling your name. It's the pinnacle of touring, and Honda has once again raised the bar. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Review Pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Ride safe and ride far.